Ninjas did not completely vanish from history with the Meiji Restoration. They survived, deeply embedded in modern Japanese society, in unexpected ways. During the Edo period, ninja clans serving the shogunate and various domains lost their livelihoods with the Teisei Hoken, seemingly disappearing from public view. Yet this was merely the surface. In fact, an even more astonishing truth lay hidden. The exceptional skills they cultivated were precisely what the new era demanded, continuing to be utilized beneath the surface. In this video, we will explain why ninjas disappeared from public view, how they survived in a modern nation, and what their unknown fates entailed. Now, let's delve into that truth. The main feature also extensively discusses the ninja spirit that endures in the modern age. The Meiji Restoration profoundly transformed Japan. The traditional samurai society collapsed, leaving many samurai jobless and without their means of living. Ninjas serving the shogunate and various domains were no exception. Although granted the status of shizoku, or former samurai, their source of income, covert activities, vanished. In ninja villages like Iga and Koga, in particular, many reportedly became farmers or migrated to other lands to make a living. The Heitoriai, or Sword Abolishment Edict, was issued, prohibiting the wearing of swords, a symbol of the samurai. This was a significant blow even to ninjas, whose profession revolved around martial arts. The new government is also said to have viewed the skills of ninjas who engaged in covert activities for the old shogunate with caution, monitoring their movements. However, for the construction of a modern nation, their skills in intelligence gathering and sabotage remained useful. Their value was particularly re-evaluated during periods of unrest. Records indicate that during civil conflicts like the Seinen War, the physical prowess and covert operational techniques of former ninjas were temporarily highly valued as scouts and messengers for the new government forces. Yet, once the wars ended, their significance waned. Many chose to return to their hometowns and live quietly. However, some continued to seek ways to apply their specialized skills in new forms, aligning with the demands of the new era. With the arrival of a peaceful era and covert activities no longer needed, were their skills truly still required? What did they aim for then? The Meiji government, steering Japan towards a modern state, urgently needed to establish a powerful military and police organization to counter Western powers. Within this context, although the traditional samurai class was dismantled, their combat skills and intelligence-gathering abilities were still needed, albeit in altered forms. Covert operations and espionage specialties of the ninja would play an extremely crucial role in both domestic and international intelligence warfare. Indeed, some former ninjas were recruited into special units of the army and police established by the Meiji government, utilizing their skills for the nation. They reportedly acted as ordinary soldiers or police officers on the surface, while secretly conducting intelligence gathering and infiltration operations behind the scenes. The Nakano School of the Imperial Japanese Army, established later, is famous as an intelligence agent training institution, and there is a strong theory that its origins included ninja knowledge. Indeed, later research revealed that Nakano School textbooks contained much content related to ninjutsu, such as disguise techniques and infiltration methods. The Meiji government did not publicly acknowledge their existence, utilizing them only in unofficial capacities. This aligned perfectly with the ninjas' nature as shadowy figures. Thus, these former ninjas, active as intelligence agents in the shadows of the nation, used their skills for national benefit, yet their achievements were never spoken of. While dedicating themselves to the nation, how did they maintain their former ninja identity? What paths did other ninjas choose? Not only within state institutions, but also in the private sector, the diverse skills of ninjas became highly valued in many professions, albeit in altered forms. For example, some utilized their high physical abilities and covert operational skills to work in security or as bodyguards, arguably precursors to modern detective work. Others entered the entertainment world as acrobats or performers. Their superhuman physical abilities would undoubtedly have captivated audiences on stage. Ninjutsu also included knowledge of pharmacology and medicine. Thus, some chose to become town doctors or pharmacists helping people. The Fujibayashi family of Ige-ryu ninjutsu, in particular, was known for its generations-long expertise in pharmacology, and their knowledge continued to contribute to public health after the Meiji era. Furthermore, some leveraged their martial arts mastery to open dojos for jujitsu and kenjutsu. As budoka, or martial artists, they passed on the martial arts of the new era. Ninja survival skills and deep knowledge of nature were also utilized in professions such as forestry, mountain guiding, and even as explorers. Thus, ninja techniques were diverse, and each adapted to societal needs, transforming and finding new places within society. They no longer identified as ninja. They lived as citizens of the new era, assimilated into society. Their traces are largely absent from official history. So, did they become completely forgotten? Descendants of ninjas included those who secretly passed on their ancestral skills, not as ninjutsu, but as family traditions to their offspring. They quietly continued to utilize this knowledge and these techniques within their daily lives and family businesses, never revealing them publicly. After the Meiji era, ninjas began to be romanticized and legendary, portrayed as superhuman beings in stories and fictional works. Meanwhile, actual ninjas assimilated into society and, by concealing their existence, inadvertently strengthened their own legend. It is said that among those believed to be ninja descendants, some significantly contributed to the development of modern Japan as politicians, entrepreneurs, and scholars. In the villages of Iga and Koga, their history is passed down, continuing to attract many as a tourist resource. There, people seek the true image of the ninja. The ninja spirit, wisdom, and techniques, though transformed, have been passed down into various fields of modern society and continue to thrive today. They did not disappear. Rather, they changed with the times, assimilated into every corner of society, and thus preserved their existence. So, what was the true answer to the question we've been exploring? Where did the ninjas disappear to? Ninjas did not vanish. They transformed. They evolved their skills and spirit to adapt to the era, finding new places for themselves. Why did they survive in a modern nation? Because their specialized skills, such as intelligence gathering, infiltration, and physical prowess, continued to be needed by society, even in altered forms. What were their unknown fates? Intelligence agents, security guards, entertainers, doctors, martial artists, entrepreneurs. Their choices were diverse, spreading across all strata of society. They abandoned the name ninja, survived by adapting to the new era, and continued to contribute in the shadows of modern Japan's development. Even if unseen, the ninja spirit and wisdom may still be alive and breathing in various corners of modern society today.
History still hides untold stories. Subscribe for more forgotten history.